did when reading container header in Fortnite usually means the game files, especially .uto/.ucas containers, are corrupted, modified, or not matching the expected signature. This often happens after updates, crashes, or incomplete downloads. Here are the fixes that work most of the time. Fix 1, verify game files, most effective. Since Fortnite uses IoStore containers, even one damaged file can trigger this error. 1. Open Epic Games Launcher. 2. Go to Library. 3. Click the three dots on Fortnite. 4. Click Manage. 5. Click Verify. Let it re-download missing corrupted container files automatically. #Fix 2. Delete corrupted cached files. Sometimes the container header error comes from bad cache after an update. 1. Press Wins R. 2. Type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Go to. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Delete, config, logs, derived data cache, if present. Then relaunch Fortnite. Fix 3. Remove partially downloaded packs, advanced. If verification doesn't fix it, 1. Navigate to. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Delete any recently modified .pack, .utoc, or .ucas files. 3. Run verify again in the launcher. This forces a clean re-download of broken containers. Fix 4. Disable mods custom files. This error commonly appears if you use skin changers, modded pack files, third-party injectors. Remove all custom files from the packs folder before launching. Fix 5. Reinstall Fortnite last resort. If the IoStore header is still failing, 1. Uninstall Fortnite from the launcher. 2. Restart PC. 3. Reinstall fresh. Don't copy old files. Common causes: interrupted update or power loss, corrupted pack container files, antivirus deleting game files, modded or edited game assets, disk errors, bad sectors. Quick question so I can give the exact fix. Did this error start after a Fortnite update, after installing a mod/skin changer, or randomly when launching the game? Tell me that and I'll give the fastest targeted solution, 2-minute fix.